everyone, welcome back to 10th standard maths class. In the previous two videos we have learned about square pyramid, and in the second video we have completed first activity problems also. Okay, now here in this video let's move on to next topic, that is height and slant height. Okay, and equations based on this also we have already learned, that is A, E, L, H. Okay, equations based on all these. We have learned three terms. First one, Ela. Then next, Hall. Then head. Okay, these three terms we learned. By using these three terms, three equations also we have learned. Okay, now all these equations we have to apply here in this section. Okay, that means in the second activity we have to apply all the equations based on these three terms. Okay, now let's move on to problems. Page number 193 and 194. Here is your first question. Using a square and four triangles with the dimensions as specified in the picture, a pyramid is made. What is the height of this pyramid? One triangle and one square given, and one more is there. What if the square and triangles are like this? That means the measurements are changed. Okay. In this question, we are going to create a square pyramid by using a square, that means base. Okay, base of the square as like this. That means base edge 24 centimeter, and by using four triangles like this. Okay, this type of measurement. That means here this length is given. Length of the triangle means it is what? Slant height. Okay, triangle's height means it is slant height L. Okay, so these two are the figure given. By using these we are going to create a square pyramid. Question is, what will be the height of the pyramid? Okay, what will be the height of the pyramid? H we need to find. So first of all, let's write what are the given measurements. Okay, so given measurements here, first is 24 centimeter. Okay, this is side of the square, that means base edge. Okay, so A equal to 24 centimeter. Next is given height of the triangle, that means slant height. Okay, L equal to 18 centimeter. You must learn all the terms that we are going to use for the base edge, slant height, like that. Okay, so A equal to 24, L equal to 18. What we need to find here? Height we need to find. Okay, H we need to find. So in order to find the equation, you can use what? Three terms you can use. Out of that three terms, which one will be suitable here? L here, H here, A here. So Ela is not possible. Okay, because H is not there. So H comes in head and hall. Okay, H comes in head and hall. But in these two equations, L here, A here. Okay, if we are choosing this one, E is not given. So this is not possible. HAL is possible here to apply. So let's consider HAL. So HAL means, you will think what? L as the hypotenuse. Okay, L as the hypotenuse. What we need to find? H. So equation will be H equal to L hypotenuse, means from this L we have to subtract the next measurement, that is H equal to L square minus A by 2 whole square. Okay, this will be the equation. You have to relate all the terms given with the three terms. Okay, Ela is not possible because E is not given, and H is also not here. So in order to find H, head and hall is possible. In for head, E is not given. That's why we consider HAL, that is hall. Okay, now let's apply. H equal to L square, that means 18 square minus A by 2 the whole square, that is 24 by 2. 24 by 2 is 12. So 12 square, that is equal to 18 square is 324 minus 12 square is 144. Okay, now when you subtract this, you will get the answer as 180, root 180 centimeter. You can stop here. No need to simplify. Okay, just to find height. Okay, so here H equal to root 180 centimeter. If we need to continue the problem, you can simplify it like this, just by factorization. Okay, so here 2 we can consider. In 18, 9 2s are there, put 0. Now here also you can consider 2. In 9, how many 2s are there? 4 2s are there. That is 8. Balance is 1, 10 here. So 45. Next you can consider 3. Okay. In 4 only 1 3. Now 1 balance. In 15 5 3s are there. Again you can consider 3. Okay. In 15 how many 3s? 5 3s are there. In 5 only 5 is there. Now after this you can pair the numbers. 2 is 2 times. From that you can take 1 2. From these 3 2 3 you can take 1 3. Okay, then 3 2s are what? 6. The only one number is there without any pair, that is 5. That 5 will be inside the root. So here root 180 is a simplified form is 3 2s are 6 root 5. Okay, 6 root 5 is the simplified form of root 180. Not compulsory. Here itself you can stop. Okay, so this is the answer for the first one. Now one more figure is given in the same question, that is in the question number 1, one more figure is given, that is square with 24 as a base edge and triangles one side is given 30 centimeter. Instead of that slant height, 30 centimeter is the side of the triangle. So these two sides will be what? These two sides are lateral edges. Okay, in this case what will be the height? That is the question. So first of all let's write A equal to 24 centimeter. Next 30 is E. Okay, these two are E, lateral edges. So E equal to 30 centimeter. We have to find H. Okay, H we need to find. So H comes in two equations, that is in head and hall. Okay, head and hall, these two. But here hall is not possible. Why? L is not given. Okay, L is not given. So hall is not possible. Now consider head. In head, D is the diagonal measurement. Okay, if A is given also, you can use head equation, because D is what? If we are considering head, D equal to A root 2. Okay, because A is enough to apply this equation, because D is A root 2. Okay, so here A is what? 24. So 24 root 2. Okay, from A we can write D. That means head is the possible term here. Now to find H, what will be the equation? H equal to, here in this equation, which is the hypotenuse, lateral edge will be the hypotenuse. Okay, always lateral edge will be hypotenuse. Only in this one, that is in hall, L is the hypotenuse. Okay, so here E is the hypotenuse. So E square minus D, that means D by 2 whole square. This is the equation. Okay, now let's apply the values. Here E is 30. So 30 square minus D by 2 the whole square. So here D is what? 24 root 2. So 24 root 2 by 2 whole square. Listen carefully. Here D and by 2 also there. That's why 24 root 2 by 2 whole square. That is equal to root of 30 square means it is 900 minus 24 by 2 we can cancel. Okay, 24 by 2 means it is 12. That is 12 root 2 whole square. Like this you have to write. Again you can simplify. That is root of 900 minus 12 root 2 the whole square means 12 square and root 2 square, both you have to find. So 12 square is what? 12 square is 144 into 12 root 2 means it is 12 into root 2. Next to root 2 square. Root 2 square means what? Root 2 square and root comes together. That means we can cancel and write the number. That is into 2. Okay. This is the method to simplify. Okay, so that is equal to 900 minus 144 into 2, that is 288. Okay, that is equal to root of, when you subtract this you will get 612 as the answer. Okay, root 612. Either you can write this as the answer or you can simplify by factorization. That is like this, 612. You can start from 2. In 6, 3, 0. In 12, 6 2s are there. Again with 2, only 1, 5, then 3. Okay. Then again with the 3. In 15, 5 threes are there. In 3, only 1. Again with the 3. In 51, only 1, 7. 17 are there. Okay. That means 2 and 2 we can, and 3 and 3 we can pair. That is 2 here, 3 here. So 3 2s are 6. 17 is inside the root. So 6 root 17 centimeter is the answer. Either root 612 or 6 root 17. Both are correct. Okay. So this is second figure. Same question, first one. Next question number 2. A square pyramid of base edge 10 centimeter and height 12 centimeter is to be made of paper. What should be the dimensions of the triangles? This question, base edge and height of the square pyramid is given. Okay, we are going to create a square pyramid using paper with the base edge. Base edge mean A. A as 10 centimeter and height as what? 12 centimeter. This is the measurements given. For that square pyramid, what will be the measurements of the triangle? Okay, dimensions of triangle. Dimensions of triangle means E we need to find. Okay, that means lateral face will be what? Triangle. This is the same as base edge. Okay, and these two measurements, that is lateral edge, we need to find. So this is the question. So AHE, which is the term that we can relate it with this. ELA is not possible because L is not given. Okay, head is possible, or hall. Hall also not possible because land height is not given. So possible term is head. Okay, this is the possible term because D is the same as what? Base edge. Okay, so here D equal to what? D equal to A root 2. So A is given as 10. That means 10 root 2 is the diagonal. So from this we can find E. Equation E is what? E always hypotenuse. So hypotenuse equation is sum of squares of these. That is h square plus d by 2 whole square. Okay, d by 2 whole square. So here h is given as 12. So 12 square plus d by 2 means d is what? 10 root 2. By 2 also you have to write whole square. Okay. So that is equal to root of 12 square is 144. Okay. Plus 10 by 2, that is 5. So 5 root 2 whole square. And 5 root 2 the whole square means you have to find the square of 5 and root 2. So 144 plus 5 square is 25 into root 2 square is 2. Okay. So that is 144 plus 25 into 2, that is 50. So that answer is 194. Okay, so root 194 centimeter is the dimension of the triangle. That means lateral edge of the particular square pyramid is root of 194. So this is second one's answer. Very easy. Only thing you have to check the term. ELA, head or hole. Okay, by comparing with the given measurement. Okay, so this is second one's answer. Next question number 3. Prove that in any square pyramid, the squares of the height, slant height and lateral edge are in the arithmetic sequence. Question number 3. Okay, here in this question we have to prove that h square, height square, then slant height square, then lateral edge square. These are in arithmetic sequence. This is what we need to prove in this question. Arithmetic sequence. So what is the speciality of arithmetic sequence? Common difference will be there. And one more speciality, that is middle term. Middle term equal to what? Sum of the next previous term and the just after number divided by 2. That is L square equal to h square plus e square by 2. This is also the speciality of arithmetic sequence. Okay. So it is enough to prove L square equal to h square plus e square by 2. So for that we have to consider two equations. Okay. That means two equation you have to consider. First one from ELA. Okay. In this ELA we have L. Now from hall. Okay, here in this also slant height is there, that is L. So what will be the equation? First one from ELA we can write the equation as L square equal to what? L is the hypotenuse part. Okay, that means, sorry, L is the, E is the hypotenuse here. Okay, ila E is the hypotenuse. So L square equal to E square minus A by 2 whole square. Okay, usually we are writing L equal to root of, but if you are writing square here, no need to write that root. Okay, so this is first one, L square equal to. From here also we can write one L, that is L square equal to, in HAL, L is the hypotenuse. Okay, so L square equal to H square plus A by 2 whole square. Okay, we have to prove L square equal to, that's why we consider L square equation from these two. Okay, only two equations are there based on these two. Now let's add these two equations. So L square plus L square is 2L square equal to E square plus H square, that is E square plus H square. Now check these two. One is minus A by 2 the whole square and one is plus A by 2 the whole square. That we can cancel. Okay, now from this we can write L square equal to, let's arrange the order because H square plus E square here. So H square plus E square. Take this into 2 to this side, that is divided by 2. Okay, so we got same like the speciality of arithmetic sequence. Middle terms square equal to what? Sum of the first number and the third number divided by 2. That means what we can say, H square, L square, E square, these three are in arithmetic sequence. For all the square pyramid, heights square, then slant heights square and lateral edge square. These three are in arithmetic sequence. Okay, so this is third one. Now question number 4. A square pyramid is to be made with the triangle shown here as lateral face. What would be its height? What if the base edge is 40 cm instead of 30 cm? One triangle is given with 25, 25 as the sides and base as 30 cm. This question we have lateral face of a square pyramid. Okay, figure is given. Lateral face is given for the square pyramid. 30 as this base side and 25 as the sides of the triangle. Okay, so from this question is, what will be the height of the square pyramid? That is the question. So first of all, from the figure we have to write given measurement. That is here A we can write. Okay, triangle's base is the same as square base. So A equal to 30 and these two measurements are what? This is E. So E equal to 25. We need to find height of the square pyramid. Okay, so EHA, which is the term related to this term, is head. Okay, HED, because HE, A is the same as D. Okay, so first write diagonal. D equal to A root 2. That is 30 root 2 is a diagonal. Now let's write the equation. H equal to root of, here E is the hypotenuse. So E square minus D by 2 whole square. Okay, that is equal to root of E is what? 25. So 25 square minus 30 root 2 by 2. So 30 by 2 is 15. That is 15 root 2 whole square. Now in the next step, 25 square is 625 minus 15 square is 225 into root 2 square is 2. That is equal to root of 625 minus 225 into 2, that is 450. Okay, now when you subtract this, you will get the answer as root 175 centimeter. That means height of this particular square pyramid is root 175 centimeter. No need to simplify, it is enough. Okay, now one more is given. Instead of this base edge 30, okay, here in this figure base edge is 30. Suppose instead of this 30, if we have 40, what will be the height? Okay, so same procedure, just change base edge as what? 40. Okay, so here 30 by root 2. Okay, 30 root 2 by 2 means instead of that you have to write D as what? 40 root 2. Okay, diagonal will be 40 root 2. That is the only change, and try to find the answer. Okay, so this is fourth one. So this section also over. So hope you understand. Thank you. See you in the next video with the new section.